Okay, this session has undergone a lot of change, but here's what we are going to do. First, I'm going to take you through the Hindu Group's marketing playbook, and I'm going to talk about that how marketing has moved the needle for a 146-year-old legacy organization. And then we are going to have a candid conversation with a brand custodian who has been there, done that. So, good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aprajita Biswas, and I am head of marketing at the Hindu Group. Well, I often get questioned that why does the Hindu Group need a marketing team? And sometimes they ask me, what do I do exactly? Well, it's a valid question because if you see, editorial, they manage the product, circulation, they manage the distribution, sales drives the revenue. So what's marketing's role, right? Well, we'll park this question right now here because I'm going to answer this towards the end of my presentation. So let's move on. Well, we know the feeling, right? All the marketeers here. Sorry. For decades, marketing has been considered as a cost center. In fact, it used to be referred as the coloring department, right? You need a logo, a brochure, an event, a launch, just go to marketing. But rules have changed. Now, CMOs are co-authoring business strategies and co-owning business P&Ls along with the CEOs. In fact, the latest IBM CMO report says that 61% of CMOs across the globe, they own business growth KPIs. And that's a big shift. And this is what moving the needle means when marketing is driving business KPIs and also creating lasting impact. Well, it's a great feeling to see your marketing team in the same room as your CFO. But sometimes I do wonder that why my team doesn't quite share the excitement. Oops, sorry, John and Srimati, I just made your life a little more difficult. But jokes apart, that statement reflects the change. In fact, at the Hindu Group, we have lived the change. And I am going to talk about our 5-spoke strategy that help marketing team to earn its seat at the table and that help marketing to move the needle. First on the list, when marketing is considered to be the growth drivers. And how did it happen? Powered by 3 dynamic verticals, the Hindu Group marketing transformed itself into a multiplier. Brand marketing team, they are responsible for brand building, consumer engagement, and supporting business and editorial objectives. Events team, they are responsible for generating revenue by creating brand IPs and co-branded events. They are also the visibility tool for all my brands. And brand solution team, they are also responsible for revenue generation, but through curated content, innovation, and specific client solution. And thank you, Suresh Balakrishna, CRO, the Hindu Group, for being the architect and trusting us to be the growth drivers. Can I have a round of applause, please? Thank you. Okay, next on the list, when marketing builds communities. And a fitting example is the Hindu Made of Chennai, where we have created communities around music, cinema, sports, food, heritage, and everything about Chennai. And we have invited brands to share our story and join us in this endeavor. Can I have the AV, please?
எங்க சென்னை பாரு என்றும் 16 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 எங்க சென்னை பாரு
And we are officially launching this by end of this week, and I invite all of you to join us and see and be a part of Made of Chennai. Well, when marketing moves campaigns to communities, brand move from being storytellers to stakeholders, and that's where the magic happens. That's where the conversation connect and the conversion happen. Next on the list, this is a very special one, and I'm going to talk about, of course, Sportstar, where marketing, becomes a strategic force. And I must thank Ayon Sengupta, the editor Sportstar, for giving us a seat at the table. Marketing played an important role in repositioning Sportstar, a 47-year-old legacy brand, not just to be only a sports magazine, but as a forward-looking platform that is shaping India's sporting ecosystem. 10 years ago, we launched Sportstar Aces Award, the India's first truly multi-sport award ceremony, where we honored everybody in the ecosystems, athletes, coaches, training institutes, federation, and everyone who played a role, and thus creating a brand IP, redefining sporting excellence. It has been our continuous quest for last 7 years to engage the digital native. In fact, this year the Sportstar IPL quiz had 70,000 participants. Last year, our fans celebrated the T20 victory at Wankhede Stadium with Sportstar special issue. 4 years ago, we launched Sportstar Conclave, bringing together governments and federation to talk about regional sporting policies, and thus creating a thought leadership platform. And this September, we are launching Playcom along with KPMG to discuss the business of sports. And guys, I just unveiled Playcom at this forum, so yay! Next, of course, on the list is when marketing becomes a business development tool. Again, a very initiative which is very close to my heart. AI at work. This was curated by uniting editorial strength, business priorities, and clients' need. It's a strategic partnership between IBM and the Hindu Group to explore how AI is transforming India's manufacturing and the BFSI sector. This comprises of a content series, onboarding domain experts, panel discussion, and roundtables with CXOs to enable peer-to-peer learning, industry case studies focusing on AI pioneers, and of course, a comprehensive ebook compendium. Thank you, Tuhina and team, Shriram and team for this opportunity. Thank you, Vidhu, for trusting us with this. Next and last on the list is when marketing recognizes both vanity and value. Like how chicken soup is good for the soul, vanity is good for the organization, and that's why last in last 6 years, the Hindu group has won 60 plus awards across various platforms, including Van Ifra, Publisher of the Year 3 times, INMA Worldwide Award, Abbeys, and of course the Exchange for Media IMA South Awards. But we also understand the importance of value metrics. In fact, the biggest challenge for any newspaper organization is that we do not know our end users, right? And especially the print readers. And that's why we have prioritized collecting first party data through all our marketing initiatives. We have built a centralized user database to engage, understand, and segment our audience better. In fact, last year, 8% of our new print subscription came through this data-led marketing initiatives. Well, for a media organization, there are 3 things that are important. One is healthy top line. Second is influence in the ecosystem. And third is credibility with the audiences. And at the Hindu group, marketing has been the fulcrum powering all 3. We have seen that how the 5-spoke strategy helped marketing move the needle. We saw how marketing created new revenue streams. We have seen how Spotstar deepened its influence, and we have seen how campaigns like AI at Work and Made of Chennai elevated the brand credibility. Well, coming back to the question, which I, of course, often get, that why does the Hindu group need the marketing team, right? And what do I exactly do? The Hindu group needs the marketing team to move the needle on what truly matters, and it needs a bold marketing head to lead that transformation. And with that, I'm closing my presentation. And of course, there's more, so please stay back, and I'm going to invite the MC.
Thank you.